Andretti, this a hit.
Hey, hey, yo, hey,
Hey, I might bust a hole in these pants with these bands. Pressure on me, kicking dog, just like Jackie Chan. Hey, pull up at the hill to $250,000 in the legend.
YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Rockin' Andretti, back with another video. I've been gone for a minute. It's the first video of this new build series I'm trying to put together. If you've been here before, I know you've seen the 300. Still got the 300. Still love the 300. Matter of fact, let me let y'all get a little peek at my baby. Still my baby. Still love it. Drive good, look good, sound good, all that. Did a couple miles on this. Nothing too major. But yeah, don't really drive it. Don't really drive it anymore. May drive it on the weekends here and there, but if you saw the title, then I know you know what we got. I got a new daily. It's a Grand Cherokee 5.7. Same engine as a 300. And for me, it's a lot more practical. I got 3 kids. It's a lot more space. A lot more convenient when we going to football games, softball games, things like that. So I decided to build that up. It's kind of like the best of both worlds. They got the practicality and they got that performance. So decided to build that up. Got a lot of parts already, a lot of stuff on the way. Got some stuff in transit. Stuff should be getting shipped here this week, actually. So I'm gonna bring y'all along for the build from beginning to end. Right now it's bone stock. I ain't even got no tint on that thing. If you know me, that's the first thing I do. I throw some tint on it. But ain't even got that, so it's bone stock. I'm gonna bring y'all on the journey. Y'all see it from beginning to end. We starting with cosmetics first. I'm gonna get the looking right. Then we're gonna get to the exhaust did. I wasn't gonna go straight pipe like I did with the 300, but I've been eyeing some carbon TR mufflers. I think I'm gonna throw them up there. I know I want the quad tips, like the track. Matter of fact, yeah, the name, right now the name is Baby Track. That's what I'm calling the Jeep. And once it's done, you're gonna realize why. But right now it's Baby Track. That might change, but for right now, that's the nickname, Baby Track. But yeah, we're gonna get the cosmetics right, we're gonna get the sounding right, and then we're gonna do performance. I haven't really decided yet on what I'm gonna do as far as engine wise. So the options is I'm either gonna build up that 5.7, cam, long tube headers, 392 intake manifold. Might get the heads done. I want to get the intake manifold ported, get a tune. After doing all that, I should be up there with 392 power. Second option is the Hellcat supercharger. That's a lot more expensive mod. Got to get the whole kit and all that for it, but that's the second option. Haven't decided yet, so we're gonna get it looking right first, and then we're gonna decide on performance. But I want y'all to stay tuned, man. Like I said, taking y'all from beginning to end, man. I'm gonna be consistent. You got my word. Y'all got my word. I'm consistent. I'm trying to drop at least once a week. Might be 2 weeks here and there, but I'm just trying to be consistent, man. So I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff that everybody else say, and follow me on this journey, man. I'm gonna take the Jeep to a location, let y'all see it, let y'all check it out, and kind of show y'all visually what I'm gonna do to it. But yeah, let's get it.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Running out of
a chance and I done felt too much pain. Niggas on the ride say they running their hella game. I'm going in, don't give a fuck for where they came. And if they play, then I'm sending shots at their brain. They screaming game for real, don't know the pain for real. Look in their eyes, I just hope that they don't change for real. And my problems, I can't solve them with all of this money. I wish niggas wouldn't change, but they start getting funny. I love them. In her eyes, I told her, baby, would you love me? And never put nobody above me. When the money get low, would you stay the same? But I ball on these niggas like I'm Damon Wayne. Fly nigga in the car, living life like a star. I just fought a bitch off the liquor at the bar. Going in, writing words from my head. I remember waking up with no bed. Niggas say they going fed, tryna paint the city red. Hoping one day that all of my options dead. I put money on their head if they play with me. I don't want them dead, I sit back and wait patiently. Grind for it, stand alone like we gon' get these millions. Everybody in my family gon' feed their children. Hey, you know what I did for this, I ain't sell my soul.
Alright, y'all. So, there go my baby. It's my new daily. Things on the way. SRT front bumper. SRT hood. Still deciding on the wheels. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Trackhawk 20 inches or try to find some 22s or the Hellcat wheels that I like. Not sure on that yet. As far as color, I'm keeping the color how it is for now because the hood I got, it's the same color. The bumpers I got the same color. I got the same color fender flares, the same color rocker panel, and I got the same color SRT rear bumper. So for now, I'm keeping it the same color. That's just what we got so far. Also I got the front Brembo 6 pistons for this side and the driver's side. I'm still trying to find some rear Brembos. Just trying to find a deal. I found the front Brembos on eBay for a steal. I might put the price in if I can find it. But yeah. So I need the rear Brembos. We need SRT rotors. I got them on my wish list on my eBay, so just waiting to pull the trigger on them. I kind of want to find the rear calibers before I buy the Brembos, the rear Brembos. Okay, so we got the updated lights, but they're chrome. I ain't liking that. I want the black lights, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy lights or if I'm gonna just tint the whole headlight. I got this right here on the way. I also got the bottom, I don't have the adaptive cruise control on mine, so I bought the bottom one without it. So the bottom grill, I got that. What all do I need? Oh, I need the SRT fog lights and the SRT fog light bezel, because the front bumper I got is actually a Hellcat bumper. What else we got? Got my chrome delete. I'm gonna do a video on this. But I got the chrome delete right here. I got the chrome delete for the tail lights. Also got the tail light tint that I'm gonna put up there. I'm gonna do a whole video on that. The bumper I got is a SRT bumper, the one that I ordered, and it has the SRT diffuser, but I want the quad tips, so I'm gonna have to get the Trackhawk diffuser. I think that might be it for the outside. Gotta get the tint. Got the bumper, got the hood, side skirts, fender flares. Yeah, I think that's it for the inside. For the outside. As far as the inside, I ordered the SRT gauge cluster already. I ordered the SRT airbag cover. I just need to find a Jeep SRT steering wheel. Well, I found a couple, but I ain't liking them prices on that. So wait until I find a good price on steering wheel. I got some wrap for these parts. I got the gunmetal color, same as the SRTs. So I'm gonna wrap this. I'm gonna wrap the center console, wrap around the bezel. I'm gonna wrap all the things right here around the air vents. I gotta get the carbon fiber for the interior. I got Alpha OBD. I gotta get a port for it for my computer so I can just upload the SRT pages and it'll match the SRT gauge cluster. Put this up. I got the moonroof panoramic, so that comes with it. I'm thinking about putting starlights in the liner. Turn this off. Yeah, I think that's about it as far as cosmetics. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Be looking out. I told you I'm gonna be dropping content. I'm trying to put every mod that I do on this, I'm trying to video it. So just trying to let y'all see the journey, man. I was inspired by a couple guys on YouTube. Young Jay on YouTube, he did the SRT conversion. That boy High Speed, Deshaun, he did the SRT conversion. And Lane Hawk, a couple other guys. So definitely inspired by them, but I'm gonna let y'all see my journey, try to document my journey, man. And just need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share, bell notification, all that, man. We about to get lit. I'm trying to be done by, with the appearance, I'm trying to be done by summertime. Yeah, summertime. Today is Easter, so a couple months. I'm trying to knock all this out, man. But y'all stay tuned. It's about to be a movie for real. This the beginning. When y'all see the ending, man. Oh, one last thing. I got the chrome, whatever these called up here. I'm gonna have to paint these matte black, cause I ain't trying to have no chrome on the car. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. A lot to come. Like I said, a lot of parts already here. I'm gonna start trying to knock out these videos, try to stay consistent, all that, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Till the next time.
Damn Andretti, this a hit.
Hey, hey, yo, hey.
Hey, I might bust a hole in these pants with these bands. Pressure on me, kicking dog, just like Jackie Chan. Hey, pull up at the hill to $250,000 in the legend.